Dude, check it. For reference. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Oh, I wanted to kick this lady in her shin last night because she kept telling me dos más minutos for hot water. An hour has elapsed and no hot water. And she kept going, oh, si caliente. I'm like, it's fucking cold water, lady. What'd she say? You want to shower that shit?
Yeah.
Coming around a corner and honk, didn't hear a honk. All of a sudden there's a big truck there. Hit the back brake, started sliding, grabbed the front brake, slid out and bounced off the front bumper underneath the truck.
You're okay?
Okay, got some scratches, but
Blake's okay. Got a back foot peg, I think, is all the real damage there. But
other than that, good. Honk before you go around the corner.
Honk before you go around the corner.
Yeah.
It's words to live by.
Over here whispering chickens.
I wanted to touch him. The mom kept eyeballing me. She could give me bitch face, but I let her know I wasn't gonna fuck with her chicken. Look at her. She's all ninja.
SLA is $5. So there's nothing
Living in a dream.
Why is that, Kyle?
Well, we rode in wild, awesome formation down Tarmac Road, ripped through 66K. Got these fucking boots that I've seen all the fucking Highlanders have for like $10.
Buenas tardes.
Then, got this bad boy, plus a fucking Britney Spears on a motherfucking tiger towel that I'm totally wearing into the finish line. Then we were drinking in Martine's side yard. And look what he brought. Motherfucker gave me this, $10. Best day ever.
I just had some very terrible diarrhea next to a gigantic rainforest spider. But the thing that I'm happiest about right now is that I found these.
You're fucking almost. Never know about me, but I'm here. I would love to have part of these people that I think they are the best that I ever met in Satipo, right?
Yeah.
In the high jungle.
High noon, high jungle.
What about this guy over here?
We have a new chief.
Ah, he's a new trip. Yeah.
Oh, you rise.
He's a new trip.
So much better than your biking fix.
Good schwaffle.
This is how horror movies start.
Turn the corner, and it's a man with a rifle, and he doesn't speak Spanish. He's a tribal leader, or someone in the tribe here, and I couldn't communicate with him. I was by myself. I don't know if it was my bags or what it was, but the woman came out of the hut, and she was like touching my bags. So I set him down. I'm like, yo, I'm just going to Atalaya. They searched my bags. When he stopped me, I wasn't gonna stop, and then he like repositioned his rifle, so I made sure I stopped. He then communicated with like 3 people down the road about every 30 feet, and like they went back into the woods doing whatever they were doing. They searched my stuff, and at the end, because he doesn't speak Spanish, there's no communication. I'm just like, hey, no harm. They saw that I didn't have anything threatening to them, and he was just like, so I gave him some change. And I didn't want to go into my wallet because I got bills.
And then, so I gave him all the change I had in my pocket. And then I stopped shortly after that, repositioned some money so that I would actually have money out of my wallet if this happened again. Then Kyle caught up, and we kept moving. And then shortly after that, then my throttle is jammed. So rather than stop, because I keep seeing people with rifles, we just kept moving forward. And I'm just literally controlling the motorcycle with just the front and rear brake and the clutch. And I have the throttle stuck in just the right position that in first gear I can climb up hills, and that's about it at like, 2 miles an hour. But until the rest of the group gets here with the tools and other stuff, I can't really fix the bike. So I'm just kind of, and even if they do get here and it's a big ordeal, I might just keep riding it the way it is. I've already done the last probably 15 kilometers, 10 kilometers. How far do you think we went?
We've gone at least probably 10 or 15.
With no throttle. So we're gonna try and wait here as long as we think it's appropriate to wait.
It's like a volcano mixed with a fire hose. And it's pretty intense. I'm actually wildly impressed. However, I wanted to stop.